Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest tools on the market. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the incredible impact drill driver and the benefits it can bring to your DIY projects or construction jobs. We will also discuss how to choose the right one for your needs. The impact drill driver is a powerful tool that combines the functions of a drill and a screwdriver, but with an added impact mechanism that delivers more power to the bit. This added power means that it can tackle even the toughest jobs with ease. One of the biggest benefits of the impact drill driver is its power. These tools can deliver up to 3 times more torque than a regular drill, which means you can drill through even the thickest and hardest materials. This makes them ideal for heavy-duty tasks like drilling into concrete or driving long screws into dense materials. Another advantage of the impact drill driver is its speed. The impact mechanism allows for faster drilling and screwing, which can save you a lot of time on the job. This is particularly useful when you have a large number of holes to drill or screws to drive. When it comes to choosing the right impact drill driver for your needs, there are a few things to consider. First, decide whether you want a corded or cordless model. Corded models provide consistent power, while cordless models offer more portability. Next, consider the size and weight of the tool. A smaller, lighter tool may be more comfortable to use for extended periods of time, but a larger, heavier tool may be more powerful. Also, pay attention to the chuck size, which will determine what size drill bits and screwdriver bits you can use with the tool. Lastly, consider the price. Impact drill drivers can range from budget-friendly to more high-end models, so decide what features are most important to you and choose a tool that fits your budget. In conclusion, the impact drill driver is an essential tool for anyone who wants to tackle tough jobs quickly and easily. Its power and speed make it ideal for heavy-duty tasks, while its versatility and portability make it a great tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. See you in the next one.